to the story time with Miss Olga. Don't forget to subscribe. We have a new book. Stop, train, stop. Are you ready? Get comfortable. Open up your listening ears and imagine. Stop, train, stop. A Thomas the Tank Engine story. Every day Thomas and his coaches puffed along, not too fast, not too slow, and stopped at every station. They stopped at Knapford, where a little boy waved. They stopped at Elsbridge, where a spotted cow mooed. Moo. They stopped at Hackenbeck. People got on, people got off. See, it says Hackenbeck. One morning, the little blue engine said, "I am tired of making stops. I'm going to go from the start of the line to the end of the line without stopping." The little blue engine whizzed right by Knapford. The little boy hardly had time to wave. Clackety-clack, clackety-clack, away went the train without looking back. Next, the little blue engine whizzed right by Elsbridge. The spotted cow hardly had time to moo, moo. Then the train whizzed right by Hackenbeck. People did not get on, people did not get off. See again, Hackenbeck. The train had gone all the way from the start of the line to the end of the line without stopping once. But something was wrong. The passengers were not happy, and neither was Thomas. He said, "I miss boy waving. I miss cows mooing. I miss people getting on and people getting off." So from then on, every day, Thomas traveled not too fast and not too slow, and stopped at every station. The end. Thank you for listening and watching. We will have one more book. Go, train, go. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you again soon.